The incredible Matthews slider, the best of the best. Just like all of other Matthews equipment, it is reliable grip gear at its finest. There's many other sliders out there. A lot of them are smaller and really tricked out and really portable, and that's really wonderful. But when you need to be able to handle from an iPhone to a fully built cinema style camera up to 175-pound capacity, we're talking about this beast right here. Your sound department is gonna love you because it's extremely quiet. Your camera operator is gonna really love you because it is really, really smooth. And this isn't when a slider makes its money. A slider makes its money when it has a lot of weight on it and it is slowly creeping across the rails. That's when you don't want to feel any bumps. And guess what? Our oversized rollers are amazingly smooth rails. They're gonna get the job done. The cool thing about the Matthews slider is that the maintenance you can do by yourself on set at the liftgate. The majority of the sliders that are out there, they're great. They're really cool, smooth moves, awesome. But the second a little bit of dust blows up to the shop, you need to get in there with their linear bearings or whatever tiny little rollers they have, and you need to clean them out and service them. And during that time, guess what? You can't put the camera on it and use it on set. A rag, some water, you get it on the oversized rollers, which are oversized for a reason. It's so that they can be quiet and so they can be easily maintained. You take a tongue depressor that they have at the doctor's office, it's the perfect size to be able to get into these rollers. That way, you can just put it in there and be able to get whatever gunk, whatever grime is off and be right back up and running. One of the most important features about this system is how easily you can adjust anything on it. The bumpers come off with 2 bolts. The turret comes off with 2 bolts. The wheels, the rollers that are actually tracking on the rail, they can go up and down, in and out with the turn of a T-handle. It's so simple, and if you're feeling just a little bit of something, you can make that adjustment. We have these bumpers on the ends of the carriage right here, and they're rubber, they're coiled up, and they're graduated. So we have a small one on this side and a large one on this side. So when it gets to the end of the rail, in stages, it slows you down and cushions the contact. Same with the other side. You get to this end, and there you go, it cushions it. You don't want to have high-powered rare earth magnets all around your media cards. It just doesn't make sense. So we went with these rubber bumpers, easy to swap out, and they really do the job well. We have, of course, the Mitchell top plate, very important. We have dual controls on both sides. So we have a friction control right here. You need to add a little bit of friction to the trolley to be able to slow it down and make it really nice and smooth. And you need to be able to lock this guy off. So there's a brake, you lock it off, it's not going anywhere. What's really cool is that we have the same controls on the other side. So you're not in the middle of a shot reaching over, fumbling around looking for the controls. You have them right here as an operator, and that is a feature that was really, really important in designing this guy. The turret, 360-degree turret, also has locks on both sides of the turret. There's many advantages in being able to offset this turret to anywhere you want on the slider. But something you really need to keep in mind is that if you're going to be supporting the slider from one end, you're going to want to be able to support it in some way on the other far end of the slider. We're using the steady rest here. It's a wonderful tool to be able to take that weight once your 175-pound capacity rolls all the way over to the other side of the slider. That way you're not going to get slouch or droop. The steady rest is a wonderful way to do it. It has a small footprint, it's steel, it has the same build quality of our C-stands, which are the best in the world, and you have all these different rigging points on this slider. On this 35-inch slider alone, there are 84 threaded 3/8/16 holes. All the other sliders have a different number. Why? Because they are different size. It's investment quality gear that's gonna grow with your craft. So get in touch with your local Matthews dealer or contact us directly at www.msegrip.com.